Yeah, go with their house.
What else is there?
A kitchen.
A kitchen?
And a kitchen for us to cook.
Wow! That's a whole kitchen. And that's a refrigerator.
And this is a fridge.
Wow!
And he bought some more presents and some bugs.
Some bugs.
And some bugs. He got me some bugs. And it is this. Let's read this one.
Okay. Well, let's look at these other things first. There's so many books.
I have another book.
Okay. It's a book about Thomas.
And who is this?
Who do you think it is?
I think it is Gordon. I think it is Gordon.